So in 2025, one of the highlights is that we won the SHIFT program. The SHIFT program is an Alameda County HCD program where they've gotten very innovative and are trying to come up with this missing middle housing. Not affordable housing and not market rate, but trying to increase how many units we can put on smaller lots. So we're super excited about winning that. We came up with some really good designs. It was always exciting to see what our amazing design team comes up with, and it was fun to put, exercise a different muscle, kind of take our ADUs and see how we could scale them to get more units.
Yeah, the highlights of 2025 was getting involved with 2 projects, and finally they're getting built. One is Raw Circle, is a beautiful remodel project, and the other one is an attached ADU, which is called Runnymede. And both were amazing clients, and the projects turned out really nicely. And with the interiors and the exteriors, everything is beautifully well thought. And that's all.
One of the projects that I'm very excited for that we signed up in 2025 that we're going to be building in 2026 is actually a project for a major university, Santa Clara University down in the South Bay. And because of favorable ADU laws in California, we're going to take some of their university-owned properties and add additional ADUs and even redo one of the homes to provide more housing for their faculty. And as we all know, we need a lot more housing in the Bay Area, and if we can help out faculty members and teachers in the area live closer to their students, that's a win for everybody.
What I'm really excited about from 2025 would be some of our 2-story ADUs. We had some really cool projects with some really funky finishes and that are gonna look really nice. And some of them are finished, so Edith Street is an example. Really nice interiors. Both we had Edith Street and 24th Street, both with roof decks, both 2 stories on the larger side. 21st Street also has some amazing finishes, and it's wrapping up right now, so we're super excited to share those photos with you guys as well. So those were some projects that I was really excited about. Looking forward to doing more of those in the next year.
Everyone, so one thing we've been working on this year that I'm really excited about is lining up a new network of fabrication partners for our panel kit ADUs. And so first of all, I'm a huge believer in panel kits because I think they solve a lot of the issues with traditional construction without introducing new problems or unfamiliar materials. And I think for ADUs, they're an especially good solution. I'm excited now that we've moved into growing our network a little bit so that we have a set partner for our completely pre-designed plans. So these are 10 plans, tried and tested. We've built each one at least a couple times. And we now have a fabricator that's gonna deliver at a higher quality and a higher speed, which is great. And then we also have a new fabrication partner lined up at a Truckee that's gonna handle more custom ADU panel kits. So this might be if you go fully custom or start with something that we've designed and then modify it to fit your needs, which would be a semi-custom design. Our Truckee fabricator will be able to handle more one-off projects like that. So I think that's a really exciting 2 ways to build with panels, save some time in the field, and have a really high-quality project at the end.
I think the highlight for 2025, I started getting some opportunity to design. Like, it was fun to do the pot exercise in the office and do some stuck library in the Muley plan. And also get a chance to work with Phil to do the union plan stack duplex ADU in Napa, and it got the permit.
From a part of our group, we just want to say we're very grateful for this year, and we wish you all health and wellness and
Happy
happy holidays.